Evening, guys. It's your guy JD, and once again on this episode, guys, I'm gonna be using the pair of USDJPY. This a reason why I've fallen in love with this pair recently is because it has been respecting all the levels on the market. Okay, so which makes it very easy to engage with and very easy to temper with. Okay, when it's time to trade. Okay, so we're going to be using this pair, guys. And the reason why I still like since we started this year, you can see that the pair was really bullish. Okay, and it wasn't just bullish, it was doing that in a good manner. Okay, as you can see, we're trading going all the way now as we are around December, guys, and then this is what I'm seeing. Okay, we just like make a swing high and then a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and then a swing low. So can this really be our swing low, or we are breaking outside of the structure? Okay, this is what I want us to find out, and this is what I want us to know if we can be able to go for a swing trade, maybe from this level here and then swing all the way down just like that. Okay, you must know that we're still gonna be having like swing highs and swing lows, although what we're trying to do is to get all the way down to this level where the trend started. Okay, that's where we'll be selling back to. Okay, that's what we are looking for at this particular moment. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, let's go. What I'm gonna start by doing is by marking up the high. So this high here, guys, is where I can say that's our daily order block. Okay, our daily swing high with this level here. So if we can just cut out that week of that last bearish candle there, you can see that that's our order block for the daily time frame there. That's our daily order block there. Okay, but the other thing that I want us to check is also this level here. Okay, I'm also gonna mark up that level there. One of the most important level is where the market closed recently. That's that level there. And also I'm in love with this level here. Okay, those are the most and the strongest levels here on USDJPY currently on a daily time frame. Those are the levels that you may want to be looking at. Okay, so even though we see we can take our fib retracement and just put it like from there going all the way down just like that. Perfect, guys, this is perfect. And I see where the market closed, it was on the level of 0.61. okay, that's perfect, guys, that's perfect. But what will happen if we take our fib and put it there? Then our fib would tell us exactly where we should expect to be taking all those selling trade. And I'm just gonna mark up this box here. Okay, I'm just gonna mark up this box here so that when I remove my Fibonacci, you don't forget where the box is. Okay, you don't forget which level we were talking about. So that's the level that we're gonna be checking when we take our swing low again. Okay, that's when we're gonna be expecting to find a swing high, and then we start trading from that swing high going all the way down to that level below there. Okay, so why am I saying that we might be looking for sales at this level? It's because if you take your trend and draw it from there, connect it with this last swing high here, when we're still going bearish, and then we just like kind of extend there a little bit. Okay, remember, guys, it's not about like getting all the perfect touches. Okay, you just need all those touches which are respecting the trend. Okay, you're still gonna have fake outs on your trend. That's what you need to remember, or what you need to know if you want to trade perfect. Okay, so if you can check how this channel it is now, guys, you can see how USDJPY is respecting the levels. Okay, and if you can check from that swing low there, even that swing high there, another swing high, swing low there, and then we'll push up a swing high, a swing low, and then up again, swing high, a swing high there, and then we are here now on this swing low. And you know what I'm loving about that there is the fact that the structure now is broken. Okay, we managed to break and close below the structure. Okay, we just closed outside the structure, and this here is different because if you check the level that we pushed there is different from these levels that you are seeing below there. Okay, it's not the same. Okay, so that can be a fake out. Okay, cannot be a fake out. That's a strong break there, which means that the only thing that we are waiting for now is for the market to complete that consolidation there, and then we're going to be looking for our selling trade right on that consolidation. Okay, so remember, this box is where I put my Fibonacci retracement and then check, and then our level of 0,50 and 0,61 are there. Okay, so at this level here, we have 0,61, and then at the top there we have 0,5, okay, which is 0.5 fib, okay, then 0,61 fib, okay, then this one I'm gonna put it below. Perfect. So those are our Fibonacci retracements. Okay, so on those fibs, guys, it's where we're gonna be looking for a lot of things. Okay, certain things are gonna come out of that level there when we take our trades. Okay, so now if we're going to be taking our trades, guys, it's gonna be a long trade. Okay, this is gonna be a nice swing trade. It's either our first entry can be at this level here, which is 0,61 of the Fibonacci retracement, or the market might pierce right in the middle there, and then that's where we're gonna be taking our short trade right inside that level there. Okay, in between there. Okay, in between our levels of our Fibonacci levels there, and then we're just gonna hold it all the way down to this level here. Okay, which means that we can have our first TP here, or we can just scaling more position there, which means that we can just adding more selling position there, and then our stop loss is just gonna be right above our Fibonacci level there. Okay, that's what we're gonna be looking for, and that's what we're gonna be aiming for if we're taking a trade right on this here. Okay, so now let's go down to 4 hours and see how we are looking on 4 hours. Okay, so on 4 hours, this is what I want us to get to look at. Okay, so this is why I said it's very important to adjust those fib levels. Okay, so as you can see on this one here, that's where it's supposed to be. Okay, and now I see why it's there. If I zoom in, you can see that that long bullish candlestick just started selling from there on that Fibonacci retracement there, and then we had that long bullish pardon me guys, long bearish candlestick there, and then we followed by that doji, and then we continued with our bearish trend there. Okay, so what I want you to focus on also, we're going to be using this doji here also as our entry confirmation. Okay, you just mark up the wicks of the doji. Okay, you just need to mark up the wicks of the doji. Perfect, guys. Okay, so here on this doji, guys, it's just showing you that the price is really trying to do something. Okay, although even though the price is not getting what it's trying to do, the price was rejecting. Okay, so it's a sign that the price might come back there. Since we just continued bearish, it was a sign saying the price might come back up here. When it gets up here, that's where the price is gonna reject. Okay, I repeat, when you see a doji candlestick like that, it may be a sign that the price might come back up there and reject on that doji candlestick there. Okay, and as you can see, we've seen this is the second attempt now. If you see this first one here, this candle was very bullish, but it failed close above that level there, okay, which ended up dragging it back and closing outside, okay. And then now this is the second attempt we are seeing on 4 hours candlesticks. And then first a healthy bullish candlestick there, followed by a weak one, okay, which also tells you that whatever the market was attempting here, or whatever the buyers was attempting here, they don't have enough strength or enough power to push the market above or beyond that level, okay. So which means that we might be looking at our first entry right at this level here, okay. But to be a lot more sure, we might need to go down to a smaller time frame and find out, okay. We might need to go down to a smaller time frame and find out. And also what we might need to do is to draw a trend line from up there going all the way down, okay. That's perfect, that's perfect, that's perfect, guys, okay. So I'm just gonna clone it and bring it below and see. Okay, so when we clone this trend line and bring it below, this is what we are having. This structure, guys, is obviously broken, okay. The structure is obviously broken, which means that this thing that we may be looking for now, guys, it's nothing rather than selling opportunities, okay. We are looking for selling opportunities there, nothing more, okay, nothing more, nothing less, guys, okay. We are looking for selling opportunities, guys, okay. And the reason why I took that sell from here that day going all the way down like that, it was because of the levels and the patterns that I was getting here, okay. So if you check, guys, whenever you are trading and you see the market respecting a trend like this, you must know always that, okay, this is a strong trend, which means that always when the market gets to that level, it's gonna continue doing the same thing, okay. So when it reaches here, I was like, why not? Why can't I sell at this level? Okay, so what I was looking for, I just went down to an hourly time frame and then I check what the market presented to me. And when I came down to an hourly time frame, this is what I saw on the trend. Okay, this is what I was seeing on this trend. I want to show you. So this is what this trend presented to me when I get to an hourly time frame. Okay, this is what I was seeing. And just by that, I was so skeptical, like, JD, don't you know this kind of a pattern? I was like, okay, I do know this pattern. And what happens when this pattern forms? Okay, and let's see. If this pattern forms and then we break below it, it means that we are going down. Okay, and that's what I was doing. Okay, so what do you need to do? What I needed to do was to aim at this last string low there. And what did I do? The simple thing that I do was to highlight that level there for a break and for entry. Okay, and this is what the market came and do, guys. The market just came from this testing from this level here, and then pushes below here, closed up with a doji with that hammer. And then when I get this level here, that's where I was looking for my selling trade. Okay, and then I just entered for a sell, targeting this level down here. Okay, too bad the market was so volatile, we ended up pushing all the way to the break. Okay, so now because we're at the break, guys, the only thing that we might be looking for now is selling opportunities. Okay, we are looking for nothing rather than selling opportunities. And what I see here, guys, I think that the price here, we have like a premium up here and then discount down here. Okay, so it's either if this market is pushing up or down, we're gonna see it from this point here. Okay, So what I can say now is that, judging by this candlestick here, then I'm gonna clone that and bring it below. Okay, right on that wick. Okay, so we have a swing high and a swing low. Okay, in that space there. So only with that level there, guys. Okay, this is what NFP did. NFP shot up and then shot down, and then push up, push down, and then up, 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 up. Okay, but you can see here that the momentum, the exhaustion on the momentum there is shown there. You can see how the candles are pushing now. Okay, they are no longer big. Okay, we're starting to have smaller candlesticks there, which is also showing that the market might change from being bullish to bearish. Okay, which means that the only thing that you must be targeting now is this swing high here. Okay, we have that last swing high there on an hourly time frame. Okay, that's what we want to be checking at. Okay, so going on and on, guys, about this is what I can tell you, guys. This way we are looking for our selling opportunities. Okay, that's where our selling opportunities are resting, and then that's where you need to start taking your selling positions from. Okay, your selling positions are gonna come out of that level there. Okay, so this is where you're gonna be aiming for your selling trade. Have a stop loss right below there. Let's check the risk. Still too much. You need to be risking around 180 points, maybe. Yes, right above there. That's your SL. Okay, but although you must understand, there's still more possibilities that the market might come and pierce through your SL here and then hit at this level here. Okay, after hitting at that level there, that's where we're gonna be seeing something I like to call like an inducement. Okay, a lot of people are gonna get induced into thinking that the market is gonna go back into being bullish, but also you must not forget that the market will just be respecting either this zone or this upper zone there. Okay, it's just gonna hit on that zone, pierce there, and then reject in the middle of that zone there and start selling again. Okay, which means that we might also need to draw a trend from here going all the way up just like that. Okay, this might guide us on what might come. This is just for in case. It's gonna guide us on what might come, okay, or what might happen on the market. Okay, so this is what you're gonna be looking at. Okay, this is what you're gonna be looking at. The market might try to push something like that. Okay, and then you're gonna need to focus. Okay, you're gonna need to focus. Okay, let's do it like this. Perfect. So you're going to take all your cells going all the way down like that. Okay, you're going to be taking all your cells going all the way down like that. So remember, if the market failed to start selling here, it's because it's following that level which is up here. Like I said, the market might reject here on the 0.61 Fibonacci retracement, which means that that's where you're going to be taking your cells. Okay, your first cells are down here at this level, but if it fails to sell there, just know that you just want to tap on that level there before it starts selling. Okay, that's what you may need to be expecting if you want to be trading USDJPY this coming weeks. And then after taking those trade, guys, just hold, and then you will see what will happen, guys. The market will be trading going all the way down, which means that all they need to be doing, guys, is to follow all the consolidations that you're going to be seeing them on that downtrending move going to the downside. Just follow all the consolidation that you're going to be seeing. At the end of those consolidation, just keep adding more position. Add more position, guys, and then you're gonna see. That's how you're gonna be maximizing your profitability. Okay, you just wanna do that. Okay, so let's take it if we are saying that you were trading from here, you took your first sell from there, and then you were targeting this level here. Okay, what I'm talking about here, guys, is something like this. Okay, so you are gonna wait and watch the market when it does something like this, and then you add another position there. Okay, you're still targeting the same low. Okay, you didn't change your target, you're still targeting the same low. Okay, so the market again was gonna give you another opportunity right there. Okay, and then you're gonna scale in another position there, and remember the target is still the same. Okay, you haven't changed your target, you are only adding more positions. Okay, so this is what I'm showing you, is something that you might need to do at this coming trend. Okay, on this coming trend you need to be doing something like this. Okay, so even here, same thing, same target. Okay, something like that. So you see you're gonna have 1 2 3 4, and then the fifth one with that one below there. Okay, so you have the maximum of 5 positions that you added. Okay, on that trend going down, you've added 5 position with a good risk reward ratio. That's what I love about this trading strategy, guys. You just keep filling in positions, guys, because once the trend changes, guys, all you're gonna be getting, guys, is patterns, continuation patterns. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do with those continuation patterns, guys, is capitalizing at the end of each and every continuation pattern, guys. They lie that you all the orders that you need. Okay, it's either you are on an uptrend, which means that at the end lies buying orders. Okay, and then on this one, it means that we're gonna be looking for selling orders, guys. So don't let us pass you by. Don't miss those opportunities, guys. Capitalize on those opportunities. This is what they mean when they say you can make it trading one currency, not a lot of currencies, guys. If you get a hang of one currency, if you start understanding a currency, I think it's better if you just follow up on that currency. That might help you to become profitable when it comes to trading. Okay, so guys, until next time, guys, when I drop another video, this is your guy JD, guys, and I love you a lot. Just make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, and help us grow all the audience that we need. Don't forget to share this, guys. You can repost the link so that people may come and watch and also subscribe. Okay, I love you guys.